Next, we're going to put on a new windshield. We need to take the existing one off. It's a little too short for me. So if you'll press the mirror forward towards the front of the bike, it'll just pop open so you could expose all this area, remove the grommet. There's a 10mm bolt right there. Go ahead and put a cloth underneath that so it doesn't fall down to the abyss of the bike. Remove both sides and we'll move forward from there. So the little bolt, little washer comes off the side. It's a good idea to see that little grommet, that black grommet right there just on top of the towel. Let's go ahead and pop that out so it doesn't fall down in the cavity when we pull the assembly forward. Down in there, there we are. The grommet came off that little tab right there. You need to pull the fairing out away from that little nub so you can pull it forward. Tabs there, right there. And this whole thing will come forward and off. Albeit really dirty at about 8,000 miles. Not looking too bad underneath here. There's 1, 2, 3 8mm bolts that we need to loosen up to get the stock windshield out. I think the best way is to get a finger on either side of that bolt head with the towel underneath it, and then just gently get it started and get it mildly tight with your fingers, and then get a wrench in there after that.